Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make basic salad dressing. Start with the fundamental 3-to-1 ratio of oil to vinegar. For example, use 3 tablespoons of olive oil and 1 tablespoon of red wine vinegar. This simple proportion creates a balanced base for many delicious dressings. You can easily adjust these amounts to suit your salad size and taste preferences, ensuring a perfect dressing every time. Now, let's elevate the flavor. A small amount of Dijon mustard, about 1 teaspoon, helps emulsify the dressing and adds a tangy kick. Freshly minced garlic or finely chopped shallots introduce wonderful aromatics. Don't forget to season generously with salt and freshly ground black pepper to taste. These additions transform a simple vinaigrette into something truly special and flavorful. Once you have your ingredients, it's time to mix. You can whisk everything together vigorously in a bowl until it's well combined and slightly emulsified. Another easy method is to combine all ingredients in a jar with a tight-fitting lid and shake it until blended. Feel free to customize by adding fresh or dried herbs like dill, parsley, or chives for extra freshness and unique flavor profiles. Proper storage ensures your dressing stays fresh. Keep your homemade dressing in an airtight container in the refrigerator. Most vinaigrettes will remain delicious for about 5 to 7 days. Before serving, always give it a good shake or a quick whisk, as the oil and vinegar may separate. This ensures every pour is perfectly blended and ready to enhance your salad.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.